Hi. Today's quick tip is very quick. It's something that's been bugging me since one of the Canva changes. It just became a real challenge to me. And that was the designs would open up in the front screen. And so you'd lose your home page, but I've now found the way around it. Let's go to my screen and I'll show you. It's really simple. What was happening is that when I clicked on this, it would always open up on this screen. And what I wanted it to do was open up a new tab. And now it does it. How you set it, let me go back to home. I go down to where my name is and then go to settings. Then scroll down. And here it says open designs in a new tab. And all you have to do is switch that on or off. And now all my designs open in a new tab. A really fantastic, simple little setting that makes all the difference in the world to how easy it is to use Canva. I hope that helps. And if you found this useful, please do subscribe and I'll see you when I next record a video.